friends, Running Kimono here. We have a midweek haul. We're going to be touching on Walgreens, Rite Aid, and Dollar General. And lots of great steals and deals this week at these three stores. I know a lot of you like this little, sample of this, sample of that sort of videos. So that's what we're diving into. So first off, your Walgreens homework is you're going to go into your digital coupons app and check if you have these two boosters. They showed up this morning. First thing, we have a 7 back when you spend 40 on anything, and then a 10 back when you spend 40 on baby products. Valid next week. So it starts on March the 3rd right till the 10th. Load them for next week. So go and check your app and then come right back to this video. Now, for a lot of you that are probably like, well, the baby one sucks. I mean, unless you have a toddler or, you're getting stuff ready for like a baby shower, or you have somebody in your life that's having a baby, this baby stuff is really expensive. And guess what? Lots of the baby stuff is on clearance right now over at Walgreens. So there will be a deal next week looking at that, even to see this formula at 50% off. Even if you wanted to donate that, I mean, they would really probably love you at the food bank. But lots of food and diapers, very cheap. I will take a very good look at what I can come up with for you guys, along with diapers for all the parents out there. Load those boosters. Okay, so for this first deal, we're talking about 50-cent Colgate. If you want to stock up, they're $5 each this week, so you're going to grab 2 of them. The promotion for the Colgate is to buy 2, get back a $4 register reward, so that's really great. You have to do this one in store because it's with a register reward. So you're grabbing 2 of them for $10 on the nose. But this is a couponing channel, so you're going to load this guy, which is a 5 off of 2. So you guessed it, you're going to pay $5 out of pocket or roll $5 in Walgreens cash if you may have it. Get back your $4 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per tube. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, so the next deal we're looking at, it's the beauty deal. 10 back when you spend 30 on beauty and a 7 back when you spend 25 on anything. I did this as a curbside. I got the Lady Diana blue. I have a sister-in-law who can rock that. She's just a beautiful girl, and she can do all the different colors of cool mascara. So I got that for her. And then I also got a black traditional one, and then 2 of the CoverGirl quads. I did this as a curbside because the prices for curbside are a bit cheaper than in store. Just for laughs, we're going to look at the prices in store real quick. $6.79 and then $11.49. It's like $1 less for these mascaras doing it as a curbside. These are the coupons that you're going to load, which is a 6 off of 2, and then also using a discount code, also curbside. That's why it's a little bit better for this deal, and a 7 off of 2 as well. So I loaded those 2 digital coupons, and then just to show you the math of what I grabbed, 2 of those iQuads, yes, $6.79. That's the same price in store for that CoverGirl iQuad, but the mascara is like $1 less at $10.99, so that's $21.98. And if you know about L'Oreal mascara, it is really great. A lot of us really love it. So looking at the savings, and this is why it's a bit more advantageous, the digital coupons coming off, plus the coupon code WAG10 for an extra $2.26 off. Unfortunately, I didn't have a paper booster to stack with this one. I would have totally have done it, but I didn't have one. They're not printing for me right now. They must hate me. Overall basket is $35.56, WAG 10, free curbside pickup, tax, $13 melting off. So with my debit card, I paid $22.30, and I got back $17.35 for the beautiful Lady Diana mascara to pay like $4.95 for all this magic. I'm totally fine with it, and what a deal. Now, if you want to go in store and look for these orange tags that are clearance, there's a lot of L'Oreal specific cosmetics that are on clearance. And if you can line them up, there's a lot of L'Oreal digital coupons. If you could put it together, I mean, make a deal happen. You just have to get to 30 for cosmetics, and then, for the spend 25, get back 7. I mean, Frankenstein a deal. This is just one of the deals that I showed in a video on Monday, and I just wanted to say, hey, I did it with a lot of success. Moving it along, we are at Rite Aid now, and we are looking for some very cheap toothpaste. Special shout out to Sacktown Couponer over on Instagram. This is in fact a deal that she pointed out, and I was kind of on the same lane over at Walgreens on Sunday with some cheap, fancy toothpaste. So these two are on clearance at 50% off at $4 and some change. And then we have a $4 digital coupon for each. If you look at the coupons, they expire on March the 31st. So you have a little bit of time to find all of this magic. And just to show you the tags a little bit closer, so load both of those coupons. One will be 14 cents. And then the other one will be like, I think 39 cents. And it started on the 18th to the 15th of April. So yeah, and check the expiry dates too to make sure you're grabbing the ones that, have a couple of months left on them. But grabbing two of these fancies, like a gum and a Brilliance, for $8.53. Subtracting $8 in digitals, you're going to pay 53 cents. And for me, this is going to be a big part of, I have a spend 14 on CREST products, get back, I think, $4. So that'll be like almost $9 of that for my March and April bonus cash challenges. Now, I am waiting on doing this deal because both of my bonus cash challenges are very small for CREST. Because here's the truth, I really haven't been stocking up on CREST over at Rite Aid. I haven't. So they really try to entice you back with the March and April bonus cash challenge. This is a spend 14, get back 4. So that's like really easy to do with the high value coupons. And I'm sure something else will show up for me in April. I'll be able to knock this one out for like, under $1 to get $4 back. So I'm very delighted with that. I would double, triple check your bonus cash challenges. And if you are similar to me, where it's better to do it March the 1st, hang on to this deal till then. I was in the store yesterday and like nobody even touched the toothpaste. That's fancy and on clearance. So this is a great one to put in your back pocket. Okay, so we're going to talk a little bit more about clearance over at Rite Aid. Valentine's Day is 75% off. And then there's a ton of baby stuff. I think it's also 75% off. A lot of these Dref products, like $1 or less. We have a Baby Shea Moisture for $2.49. I'm not sure if there's a digital coupon, but the Dref stuff is very, very cheap. This Similac baby formula is what? $2.49. We have a $1 freshness peely because it's expiring in May, so it would make it $1.49. And then this Beganic stuff or Baby Ganic stuff, also 75% off. This is more of a top tier expensive stuff. Honest for $3.49 and Baby Aveeno for $2.74. If there were digital coupons, I would stack them. But right now, if you had a baby shower to go to, or if you wanted to stock up on this stuff, Rite Aid is the place. And the final store that we have is Dollar General. Yesterday, which was the 27th of February, a lot of the Valentine's Day merchandise and candy all went 90% off. And purple square gift sets. I made a whole video. I'll link it at the end if you wish to go through it. But I kind of made some little cheat sheets here on just items that you should be looking out for. This Big Utz cheese balls for 73 cents. The original price was like $7 and some change. Like, guys, no brainer. If you want some cheap snacks, this is definitely the place to go. And with the clearance event on Friday, we're going to have to see in the app if this stuff goes an extra 50% off. That Terry's orange, imagine paying 20 cents for that. I do not know at this point. We're going to figure that out on Friday with the clearance event. But lots of these fancier chocolates, very cheap, with Easter, Mother's Day, Father's Day around the corner. I mean, this is the time to stock up. For my mom's little friends, I definitely stocked up on a lot of those turtles so she can be like Ed McMahon, handing them out to everybody. Won't that be a lot of fun? And then the Queen Anne's, those cherry cordals, 29 cents. I mean, that's practically free. So if you have been sleeping under a rock, here's the news. Dollar General is having a clearance event this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, where some items in the store will be an additional 50% off, pairing that with digital coupons. I made a whole video talking about everything. Even if you're new to this, check out the video. I'll link right here. Lots of great information, and I certainly will be scouring those stores first thing on Friday morning like a crazy person because I love the Dollar General and getting stuff for free. If you've been a really diehard pharmacy shopper, now is the time to step over. You know that they have been just a bit chintzier with us, but Dollar General seems to be still quite generous. Watch the video right here, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.